right, y'all. In my last video, I think I showed you guys that I did a weed treatment, tried to get rid of some weeds that I saw popping up in the lawn. And I used a couple of herbicides. One was this Q4 broadleaf weed control and yellow nut sedge. This is a four-way herbicide. It basically has 4 different active ingredients inside it. And I also use Dismiss NXT. I use these in combination. One of the reasons why is because some of the real tough weeds can't be handled by this. This doesn't have enough of, like quinclorac, for example. It doesn't have enough of it to get older crabgrass and stuff like that. And this right here is my backup with it. So I did a combination of these right here. So let's check out and see how it's doing. So as you can see, this is nut sedge, and it's starting to take a hold on the nut sedge. Let's see, got another area, and it did knock the Bermuda back a little bit as far as color, but you can see the nut sedge is taking a hit. Now I may have to do another backup treatment because that's what the instructions say. So it may not hit it all. So I'm gonna let this right here do its due for about a week, and I may have to come back. So this is another example of the nut sedge. And then here is some Dallas grass. It really hasn't done much to this Dallas grass. I have some other stuff that I can use on this, but I'm not going to pull it. I'm just going to see what it does right here. This is Dallas grass, and it's the Dismiss NXT mixed with the Q4. I don't think the Q4 does much on Dallas grass, but the Dismiss NXT is supposed to have some control. And usually it's the baby. This is a full grown plant here, so I may not get any control on this right here, but I see it turning colors here on this Dallas grass. Then I had some type of clover type looking weeds which has taken a hit, and this is some grown nut sedge. You see more of the little vine type weeds that I had. It looks like clover. So it's trying to do its thing. So that's pretty much my go-to, and it got rid of a lot of stuff for me. So I think I'll be all right. Yeah, anyway, so that's a quick update on that. Hopefully as the season goes on, those weed problems that I was just showing you, be alleviated, and they'll pretty much be gone. And we can just get this lawn back up and running. So this combination right here will pretty much wipe out all the weeds in your lawn. These two whips, leaving probably only the worst type of grass out there, like the Dallas grass or something like that. Now you could use some Target 6 MSMA as a third additive to this, and it probably will wipe out everything in your lawn that is not Bermuda. But this is what I'm using. I'm not using any of that. I'm just using these two right here. So you can pick these up. I got these all. I don't know if you can get this on Amazon. You probably can get Speeds on, but you can Google this and pick up some of this. And of course you can get this probably on Amazon, or when you do a search for it, you find plenty of places to do it, and you don't use that much of this. I think this 0.34, you can fill up a 4-gallon tank, a 4-gallon spray tank, and only use 0.34 ounces, versus this right here you have to use 2 ounces, around 2 ounces per gallon. So you use about 8 ounces of this, 2, 4, 6, 8 if you got a 4-gallon tank. So this goes a lot further than this.